So we're going to get it started here. So we're going to start off with one of our best-selling models. It is the TAO 1818. It is a great size. It offers amazing therapies and a convenience of travel. Again, the size, you can target your pain. Let's just take a look at it to show you how awesome this mat is. So you open it up when you get your product. It comes with the carrying case. Now with this mat, the TAO 1818, again, it is a little bit smaller, excuse me. It is a little bit smaller, which is good for targeting pain, but as well as the convenience of travel. So with the traveling case, it's super easy, super lightweight. It fits perfectly in here so you can take your relief on the road, whether you're traveling, going to work, going to a family member's house, whatever it may be, we make it easy for you. So let's open it up. So when you get the TAO 1818, opens up like this. You can see how conveniently it fits in the carrying case. Open it up, lots of goodies which we'll get to, but before we get into all this fun stuff, we have the mat itself. So let's take it out of this plastic. And you can see just how beautiful that this pad is. We have these strips right here that have plastic to show you where the gemstones are. They still run throughout it. There's just these two slits that show you the gemstones. This particular model has amethyst, which is the purple one here, the obsidian here, jade, and tourmaline. 4 unique gemstones which pair perfectly together to balance your energies, provide natural healing for the mind and body. Next, there is a heating element throughout that provides the far infrared heat therapy. Far infrared heat therapy is really relaxing. It goes a lot further and deeper into the body than, let's say, your regular heating pad that you may get wherever. So it goes deeper into the body to relax even more and provide more relaxation. Next, we'll show you the remote. Before we get into the remote, the last therapy, so there's 3 in total, the gemstone therapy, the far infrared, and lastly, but certainly not least, the negative ion therapy. So negative ions are basically what they do is they enhance oxygen flow in the body. If you're feeling tired at the end of the day, or maybe you just want to get up faster in the morning, negative ions are great for that. They're really rejuvenating too. If you travel to a national park or any location of the world where it's far away from populations or industrialized areas, you breathe in that air and it's super relaxing. That's what negative ions are. And when the gemstones are heated, they release the negative ions so you can enjoy it wherever you are, all from the comfort of your home. Next, I'll show you what the pad comes with. So firstly, you open it up and you see the controller right here. The controller is very easy to use. We even have tutorials on our YouTube channel that go into depth about how to use it. This specific one allows you to control the temperature. So you control the temperature between room temperature or up to 160 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for sweating, detoxing, anything of the sort, or if you want to relax, sleep on it overnight, you can set it to a lower temperature. Speaking of sleep, we have a timer here. This allows you to set it between 1 to 12 hours in hour-long increments. So going back to our sleep example, you set it to a lower temperature. You want to kind of ease yourself into sleep, but you don't want to wake up with the heat. So you can set the timer to, let's say, 4 or 5 hours. You get that sleep or that easement into sleep. It helps you sleep better, and then you wake up totally refreshed. Again, the gemstones do that too, totally refreshing in the morning. It's like a cup of coffee before you even leave bed. Super easy to use, and next I'll show you the cover next. So each of our mats come with their own cover. This specific one, let me open it up, is our waterproof cover, a thin waterproof cover. So you unfold it like this. We recommend using the cover to protect the mat from any kind of water damage, sweat damage, as well as provide an extra layer of comfort too. So it's very easy to use. All you do is take these straps right here, wrap them around the corner. This one's already on, it got on by itself. That's how easy it is to use. You put it around this like that, and boom, it's fully covered, super safe, super secure, so you can protect your mat whether you're sleeping on it, using it throughout the day, anything like that. Next, I will show you the Mylar Blanket. So this is the Mylar Blanket. Pretty much all of our products come with this. So you place it over the body when you're using, let's say you're using a higher temperature, you really want to cleanse yourself, sweat a bit more. So you lie on the mat, you set it up to a higher temperature, and you place this blanket over you. What it does is it traps in the heat, prevents it from escaping more, so more of the heat stays around the body, so that's better for cleansing, detoxing, improving circulation too. This is great. And then lastly, the warranty card you see here. Simply go onto our website, use the code, register your product's warranty. One last thing about this amazing mat is that it's pretty flexible too. So let's say you want to focus on back pain. It fits perfectly in the back area, or abdominal pain, you want to focus it right here, it fits perfectly. It's even flexible. So let's say you have arm pain, you can just wrap it around like this. It's totally fine to do that. That's another amazing feature you get with this, the flexibility and the versatility to target specific areas of pain. So this is a great mat. Let's move on though.